Let's talk about causes, symptoms and treatment for your leg pain quickly. What is leg pain? Leg pain refers to any discomfort or pain experienced in the region between the groin and ankle. What are the symptoms associated with leg pain? Leg pain can vary in intensity from mild to severe and may be continuous or intermittent. It can affect a specific area or the entire leg, with sensations ranging from dull or sharp to burning, tingling, or numbness. Additional symptoms may include swelling, varicose veins, sores or ulcers, redness, warmth, or changes in leg color. Let's see what are the common causes of leg pain. Cramp. Sudden muscle contractions, often felt in the calf, which typically resolve quickly. Muscle sprains and strains. Tender muscles with possible swelling, muscle spasms, or difficulty in movement. Minor injury. Bruises, bumps, or knocks leading to redness, swelling, or discoloration. Fracture. Bone breaks accompanied by swelling, deformity, bruising, and reduced mobility. Infection. Ulcers, wounds, or blisters causing redness, swelling, warmth, and general illness. Joint, bone, or muscle issues. Pain due to problems in nearby joints, bones, or muscles. Blood vessel problems. Conditions like deep vein thrombosis or poor circulation leading to swelling or tenderness. Varicose veins. Aching, burning, or throbbing sensations accompanied by other symptoms. Nerve problems. Weakness, numbness, or tingling caused by nerve-related issues like diabetic neuropathy. Compartment syndrome. Intense pain worsening with leg stretching, accompanied by skin changes. Growing pains in children. Aching or burning sensations, often occurring at night in muscle areas. When to seek medical attention. Urgently seek medical help if the leg is swollen, deformed, or difficult to use properly. If it feels unusually cool, pale, numb, or weak. If your leg have redness, warmth, or worsening pain persists, you should seek medical help. If you have both legs swell, accompanied by breathing difficulties or serious symptoms occur suddenly without explanation, you must seek immediate medical assistance. Let's talk about treatment for leg pain. Actually, treatment depends on the underlying cause. For sudden injuries, use the Reiser method. Rest, ice, compression, elevation, referral. Pain relief can be achieved with over-the-counter medications like paracetamol or ibuprofen. If you have muscle cramps, it can be alleviated through gentle stretching. Or if pain persists, consult a healthcare professional who may involve physiotherapy, medication, or surgery depending on the condition. How to prevention of leg pain. Let's see easy steps to prevent leg pain. Warm up before exercising and cool down afterward to prevent strains and injuries. Gradually increase physical activity levels and wear appropriate footwear. Maintain overall health through sufficient sleep, hydration, regular exercise, avoiding smoking, and maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, listening to your body and seeking medical advice when necessary can help manage and prevent leg pain effectively. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, comment your thoughts about this video, subscribe for more helpful videos, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, keep eating smart and living healthy.